YouTube is a platform with immense potential. Creators can share their passions, connect with a global audience, and build successful careers. From educational tutorials to entertaining vlogs, YouTube offers a space for diverse content. The key is to understand the platform's dynamics and tailor your approach accordingly. Starting a YouTube channel is simple, but building a successful one requires strategy. Identify your niche, target audience, and unique value proposition. Authenticity and passion shine through, so choose a niche that genuinely excites you. Create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Invest in decent equipment to ensure your videos are visually appealing and audibly clear. Consistency is key to growing your channel. Establish a regular upload schedule. Engage with your audience in the comments section to build loyalty and community. Building a successful YouTube channel extends beyond just creating great content. Optimize your channel for discoverability using YouTube SEO and relevant keywords. Use a compelling channel banner and custom thumbnails to attract viewers. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your reach. Stay focused on creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. With persistence and dedication, you can cultivate a loyal following and achieve your YouTube goals. Engaging your audience is crucial for fostering a loyal community. Actively interact with your viewers and make them feel valued. Respond to comments, answer questions, and acknowledge feedback. Incorporate audience engagement strategies directly into your video content. Ask viewers questions and encourage them to share their thoughts in the comments. Host Q&A sessions, live streams, or contests to further engage your audience. Leverage social media platforms to interact with your audience beyond YouTube. Nurturing a strong relationship with your viewers will boost engagement and contribute to the long-term growth of your channel. Section 4. Monetization strategies. Explore various monetization strategies to generate income from your content. Join YouTube's partner program to earn money from ads. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise. Prioritize authenticity and transparency in your monetization methods. Focus on strategies that align with your content and provide value to your audience. Experiment with different monetization methods to find what works best for you. Section 5. Channel optimization. Optimize your YouTube channel by analyzing data and understanding audience behavior. Use YouTube analytics to gain insights into your channel's performance. Tailor your content to your audience's specific preferences. A/B test different elements to identify what resonates most effectively with your audience. Stay updated with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and best practices. Continuously refine your approach to stay competitive in the ever-changing YouTube landscape. Section 6. Persistence is key. Building a successful YouTube channel requires dedication and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Embrace the process and learn from your experiences. Connect with other creators for support and inspiration. Let your enthusiasm shine through in your videos and engage authentically with your audience. With persistence and a genuine love for what you do, you can build a thriving YouTube channel that makes a meaningful impact on your viewers.